how to turn off activities notifications on TikTok on Reddit. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just go to Reddit, then open it, and after this, when you're Reddit it's opening guys, you will just go to the first to this icon here on of your profile, then you go to the bottom of the screen on settings and click, and then you will go to uh, first option, account settings, then you will just click and you will go to manage notifications and click on it too, and then you will found here activity. So as you see here, all these things, all this list here, from here to here, it's activity notification. If you want to turn off the activity notification, you have to turn off all this, like this, all things, and that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.